Ever wondered how lightning strikes? It all starts with the buildup of electrical charges in clouds. As these charges separate, positive charges gather at the top of the cloud, while negative charges accumulate at the bottom. When the difference becomes too great, a lightning bolt is unleashed, creating a powerful discharge of electricity. The rapid expansion of air around the bolt produces the thunder we hear. So next time you see a flash of lightning, remember, it's nature's spectacular electric show in action.